Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy M11. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. I don't have the original box right now, but you will find the pin down the cables here on the bottom of the box, and it has to look like this. And otherwise, if you don't have it anymore, so you could use also the edge of a paper clip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below that SIM tray there's a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So what is very nice on that SIM tray, you can insert two SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. So let us start with the first SIM card. You will put it here on that position, here in the middle. So missing corner and missing corner. And the contacts are below. And in case if you want to add a second SIM card, you can do that here on that position. Also missing corner and missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. So, and also if you want, you can extend the internal storage with a micro SD card on that position here. So you can use it also with just one SIM card, of course. So this is how it looks like at the end. As I said, you can use it also with just one SIM card and a micro SD card. And the contacts are below as well. So now we put back that construction, or you put your construction into the phone. Be carefully that nothing jumps out, so shake a bit. And it's inserted. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.